Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can fix high ping in Path of Exile 2. If you're in Path of Exile 2 and you are experiencing high ping, the first thing you want to do is go back to the character login screen, and from here, check to see what gateway you're on. So you can click this arrow here, and you might want to use auto select gateway so that it matches you with the gateway that you're going to have the best ping with. If that doesn't work, you might want to consider a wired connection. If you are using wireless, that might have some effect as well. But those are some basic things that you can do to fix high ping in Path of Exile 2. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.